Hey, good morning, everybody. It's me, Ray, with Kickstand Up 909. We were supposed to go riding early this morning, but we stopped because of the rain. But I got one homie that's like, we're going. So, yeah, I just woke up. It's not rainy, but it's coming down pretty good. So I said, screw it. If you're gonna ride, I'm gonna ride. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what we're doing, but we're getting ready. I'm gonna load up. I'm gonna meet them, and then hopefully get some coffee. As you can see, I'm pretty tired. And then go enjoy this beautiful rainy day. All right, here we go. Well, guys, we just got up to Beaumont. We stopped at a spot called Mr. Taco, and as you can see, it is cold up here. Still raining, but we're out riding. We're gonna have breakfast, and yeah, this might be a short day ride. I don't know yet. No traffic because of the rain. I'd rather be out here riding right now than sitting at home. At least I'm not hot and sweaty, right? You gotta find the good and the bad. So I'm gonna get back inside with the guests and or my friends, not my guests, my friends. And yeah, try and warm up because we're all soaking wet. All right, guys, that was it's not much of a ride. After we left that spot, we were gonna go to Chaparral to check out some gear, but you know what, it was just rainy and cold and everybody was soaking wet. But now you can see everything's starting to dry up. But we decided just to call it another day after we ate. We just went back to my friend's house real quick, had a beer and bounced. But I do want to show you guys something. Everybody always makes fun of my little, you know, pants that I ride. But today, my friends, their legs got completely wet. They were cold. You know, you could tell they're just hanging in there being troopers. But my legs, 100% dry. A little wet down here. But other than that, my legs were completely dry. My leather jacket, I know it's not waterproof, but it kept most of the water out. And underneath this I have a vest. I have the vest, leather jacket, and then I had a sweater, so I was okay. The Pan America's got the heated hand grips, so my hands are nice and warm and toasty. But yeah, overall, I think I have the right gear for rain. As a matter of fact, my buddies, they're actually going to go up right now and see if they can't buy a pair of these style pants for days like today. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the little video. It wasn't too long. I don't really have anything planned. I'm going to try and go camping, maybe Death Valley. I want to do that before it gets blistering hot out there. But yeah, all right guys, as always, stay dirty out there, my friends.